this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Linktree landing page. Make sure that you watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Once you get to linktr.ee or Linktree, you can sign up for free. Once you actually create your account, you'll be taken to this page right here. And this is where you'll be able to add your links and you'll see a preview of what it looks like. So first, we're going to do an example of adding a YouTube channel. All you have to do is click that and you can create a title and add the URL. For this one, we're going to put YouTube as the title and we're going to put youtube.com. Once that's done, you also have the option to add a thumbnail, prioritize it, schedule, and lock it. Now you will see that it'll look like this on your landing page. Then you can also go to Appearance once all your links are added. You can put your profile title there, pick an image, and there are also some free templates that you can use. If I want to use hydrangea, it'll look like this on my Linktree landing page. And once that's all done, you have a Linktree landing page. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.